Okay guys, welcome back to the Winterland again. It's gonna get warmer by 3 p.m. till 5 p.m. but it will get warmer to 49 degree. Right now it's 32. It is chilly, it is cold, but we still need to make a progress on this project, right? In the previous episode, you remember we were able to pull it out. All of this shell, swapped it, picked it up, installed on the frame, hooked up everything on the front, disassembled some of it again. So now goal is to remove those front seats, remove back seats, and also try get the bumpers out of there because there's no power. Lift gate is on power, so we have to figure something out. I mean, the rear one can go through the door, but I believe the front one cannot go since it comes with the grill. So we'll see how that gonna work. First things first, I need to figure out how to get the power to the front seats so I can move them to get to the bolts. So let's start this episode, and hopefully by end of it the car is gonna be back together. Yuri, possible? Maybe in couple days. Now is a new task. Since everything is out, I need to start installing everything back. In order to do that, I need to get that rollover one under the hoist, lift it up, lower down, move the hoist, and disassemble it the same way. Should be a lot of fun. We got another one disassembled completely. This is the wiring we need right here. This will transfer there. Yuri already went ahead and vacuum everything, so we can install this lighting right now and start putting everything back together. But you can hear tractor working because it's warming up. We're gonna pull this up here probably. We're gonna be too close to this one, but it's okay. And then we're gonna start sorting things out. Whatever we don't need, we're gonna put it there. I already cleaned it some a little there, so that way the stuff we don't need it, we just put it there, and the stuff we need it, we put it there, and rest of it just goes there and goes to a junk pile, or we'll see what we're gonna do with it. Right now, main goal is to pull it out and start installing everything back in the white Yukon, and this one goes to bye bye. whatever we were able to do today, you guys see the wiring inside, the side panels installed, and also under the hood 100% assembled. I mean, few things like intake box. I need to install intake, bumper with the with the grill and cover here, but other than that everything is hooked up. So you can see daylight is over. We already, what time is it, by the way? Like
almost 8.
Almost 8. Yeah, 20 minutes before 8. So 12 hours.
Yes.
So 11 hours straight to straight working. I think we accomplished pretty good today. We'll see what we did today, tomorrow. I'll catch you tomorrow. So guys, another day. Boom. Like you guys saw yesterday, everything assembled. Also, Yuri went ahead and cleaned the carpet this morning already, and we throw it in. Beautiful, right? And also what he did is he replaced this top section because the original was teared down, and they actually different. The original from here, this thing is actually slightly smaller and slightly narrower. So this original one that comes with this center console, longer and wider. So that's why we had to replace everything. And another thing, it got the different wiring and got the different connections. I guess because this original body is older. I believe it's 2016 original body, and original truck is 2019. So there's a difference. That's why the wiring is different. That's why everything is different. That's why we're swapping everything off of 19. So everything gonna be off of 19. The steering wheel, everything except the dashboard, because the dashboard is destroyed, and we're gonna be using this dashboard. They're all the same from 16 and up. The wiring, what's under dashboard right there, we're gonna be using off of 2019. Yeah, so that's the plan. And like I said in the beginning of this episode, hopefully I'm gonna be able to start it and maybe even test drive it. But we still have lots to do before we get there, because installing all of this, installing that, it's gonna take some time. So 8 o'clock in the morning, hopefully by 12 the dash is gonna be back. Hopefully, we'll see how it's gonna go. Это не так круто. one go. Yeah, guys, there you go. Everything assembled. You heard the truck works pretty good, no problems so far. Now it's time to install the seats, but once it is blown, we're gonna replace the top skin, leather off of it, but also those seats really dirty. We wanted to clean them first. And second of all, we waiting on the roof airbags. When they're gonna show up, I don't know, maybe in a week. So it's gonna be postponed. The seats we can install, this seat can install, hook everything up after we clean it. Basically finish this side. The front driver's seat, we're gonna wait for the airbag and the roof airbags. Other than that, it's almost there. Of course, doors needs to be installed, but yeah. Let's continue working with it. Let's clean the seat, install the doors. Oh, we can't completely finish this because we need to get the headliner off of here. So I guess before we install the doors, maybe we should drop the headliner. We'll see how everything gonna go, but I'm happy where we're at. What do you think, Yuri?
I'm happy too.
You're happy too? Especially me, huh? Okay, so let's continue working and see the end product hopefully today in this episode. I mean, kinda end product, but yeah, there's still lots of stuff needs to be done, like underneath it. Oh, we're gonna be buttoning it up here, plus underneath it, plus a sway bar on the back needs to be replaced because it's bent. So yeah, still plenty to do. We did it, everything that we can. Let me present me Yukon Denali 2019 white pearl now. Used to be green, gray, white pearl now. So what's left is 2 front seats, side panels, and the airbags on the roof. That's it. On the rear suspension, there's a cross member. The cross member goes from there to there. You can see it's bent right there. So we need to straighten it out and replace the part. Also on this side, of course, I will have to deal with the rims. And this side I need to replace upper control arm and inner and outer tie rod. Other than that, vehicle is complete, somewhat complete, or complete, I don't know. I'm tired. What time is it, by the way? 5:30. So yeah, 5:30. Let's we're gonna start moving things around, getting this out of here, getting that, but I'm just happy. I mean, looks good, looks beautiful. I'm happy how far we went through with this. Hopefully one more day and everything gonna be done. So basically that's gonna be a wrap for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoy it. A lot of stuff happening in one episode, hopefully, right? So yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up, this one right here. That one is waiting for me. We need to swap things around, bring that thing way behind me here and continue working on it. If you want to see inside scoop, check out Instagram. Other than that, I'll catch you next one.